Bye. Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are here today with a very quick DIY. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, check out my channel. I post every single week. I'm starting to want to post twice a week. If I do succeed in starting to make enough content to post twice a week instead of just once, I will be posting Friday and Monday. But if I don't have enough content, I will only be posting Friday. So I just don't want to run out of content for you guys, because I want y'all to be able to have some type of video to look forward to every single week at least. But just know that I'm starting to work on getting enough content in so that I can post twice a week for y'all, because I know y'all get excited. Y'all like, where's the videos? That's why we're here with a quick DIY. If you are coming back, welcome back BNG Nation. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Comment down below, say hey to me. I'll say hi back, of course. If after you watch this video y'all like it, then just leave a thumbs up for me, and that will let me know that y'all basically like DIYs, and I will make sure I do more of those. I know one of you guys already had comment down below letting me know like do more, so I am here with another DIY. Woo woo. And I got another one coming up too. Just don't know when I'm gonna post it. I don't think that was a really quick intro, but let's go ahead and go to my restroom for this DIY. Y'all already know what we're gonna be doing, but I'll explain it more when we go into the bathroom. Okay. Hey guys, so we are in the bathroom now, and I didn't want to give much information because everything's in here. So as I'm talking about it, I want to kind of show you guys. I did go pick up these products at the Dollar Tree, so I think I do have a video of that, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert it now if I do have it. Alright, so we are here at the Dollar Tree. Whenever I recorded this, I realized I didn't record, so that's why my hair is different. What I'm using is one of these where you just push it up, so they do have these at the dollar store. And the other thing will be in the baby area. Other thing will be in the baby area, and it's the baby shampoo, which this is the one that I got. Boom. And that is all you would need. Oh yeah, also baby oil. Also baby oil. Baby oil is also over here. And that's all you guys are gonna need for this DIY. And yeah. So the things that you're gonna need, as you saw in the video, if I did put it in there, the things you're gonna need is a bottle. This is optional. You can put it in a bowl if you wanted to, but this you can put in product, and you can flip the top up and then push it down and the product will come out. I actually got this with one of my nail kits, but they do have these at the dollar store, so you can pick that up. You're also going to need baby oil, which I got this at the Dollar Tree near the baby items. You're going to need baby shampoo. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. You're gonna need baby shampoo. I got this also at the Dollar Tree, but I also use this on my dog for her baths, so that's the reason why it's almost gone. The fourth product is just some wipes, which you can also get this at the Dollar Tree. They're just dry wipes for product. You can use these on your nails or your makeup, which I use it for my makeup. And that's it. So say that the main two products are these, and you can make so much freaking makeup remover with this, with just having two products mainly. And you're gonna need water, which you're gonna have that, of course. But like, think how much freaking makeup remover you can use, and you're gonna see how much I even put in there. and it's like so freaking good, like so amazing. But yeah, that is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all how much to actually put in and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start off with the water, which the water is gonna be the main product. And we put this much water in this tube. Put this much water in the tube. And then I'm gonna put the baby oil next. And baby oil, it takes off a lot of it by itself, because they use baby oil to take off eyelashes. So I'm gonna just put that much, just all. Hopefully you can kind of see the separation. Let me get out all this bubbling. That's how much I put. I probably put too much, but there's not really a recipe for it. You just kind of eyeball it. That's kind of what I do, literally. Okay, that is that. Now I think I'm going to fill the rest of it with water. Yeah, hopefully that's right. I was kind of questioning myself as y'all saw. But yeah, there we go. So that is it. And then, oh, I'm gonna put the baby oil top on top. Okay, here it is. And then just go like that. And I'm gonna shake her up. And that is how she's gonna look. Now I don't want to take this makeup off because I'm actually going to be doing another video after this. So I'm gonna actually go and put makeup on my hand so I can show y'all how it kind of works, basically. That's everything that a normal person will probably put on their face. So let's just kind of put our finger over it. The only thing that came off was the lipstick, which is normal. But this is like literally hard to take off by just a look. And then this is this. Only the eyeshadow, which is normal. And then only the contour that I just put on. So now with the makeup remover that we just made, I'm gonna flip the top with a dry cotton pad that we bought from the dollar store. I'm gonna use that to wipe everything away. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And even with makeup remover, you gotta wipe a little bit, so it's not any different. And even that gold is like always the hardest thing to take off for me, even with regular makeup remover. And look at that. She is all clean. Oh, I forgot to clean that part, sorry guys. She is all clean. And that is our makeup wipe. So this DIY is a success, and I definitely recommend you to try it out yourself. And there's no rhythm or rhyme with the ingredients, but definitely put enough for these 2 ingredients to work. Okay, so that is it for this DIY. I hope you guys like it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And that is all that I have for you guys. I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Bye.